Hi there, welcome to this Figma Quick Start tutorial series, episode 2, Basic Tools and Logic. We will cover the basic tools up here. Now, first, frame. In Figma, we work with frame. If you need another page or another interface, we can add a new frame by clicking the preset on your right, or we can hold Option and drag. Now we can duplicate this page. We can rename it here second and rename it here third. That's the frame tool. And section tool, you can imagine section as a plate for frames. Now we have a section called EP2. That's for episode 2. Let's move on to the shape tools. We can have rectangle, line, arrow, ellipse, polygon, star, and place image or video. They are pretty straightforward, like line. We can draw a line here. Move on, we have pen and pencil. That's basically exactly the same in Adobe software. And text tools. Text. Next, the resources panel. In this panel, we have components, plugins, and widgets. We will cover them in following episodes. Next, hand tool. That's how you move your canvas. Or you can press space and the hand tool will be activated. The last one is comment tool. You can add a comment here. Comment. Figma call it thread. We can have replies under one comment, like a thread. So that's basically the tools. Now, in this episode, I want you to remember that we work with frames. Now, let's say if we would duplicate this card, we can hold Option and drag to create a new one, but you won't see it because in Figma, by default, the content will be clipped, and you can show them by uncheck the box clip content. Now, you will have the full card shown here. And we can make these two cards a frame by frame selection. Now we have a frame in a frame. That's usually happen in Figma. We work frames and frame could be placed in a frame. When I say in a frame, it means sometimes even if an element visually in a frame, but it's not. As we can see, this rectangle is somehow visually in this frame, but from left layers, you can see it's here, not in this frame. We can drag to this, like the group concept in Photoshop. So that's all for the episode 2. Hope you enjoyed it. That's all for today. Thanks for watching. In the following episode, we will cover the component. See you there. Until next time, take care. Bye.